Don't urinate on my leg and tell me it's raining. Insurance companies, we're going to court.
Okay, let's get this party started.
Call me, and let's talk about size. Lowell, the Hammer Stanley, 459 cash. 459 cash.
I mean, I get it. Personal injury law is so competitive with so many lawyers that you have to do something crazy in order to get people's attention.
Size matters. The bigger your check, the better. I hammer insurance companies for the biggest checks. Damages from everyone to blame. I do more to get you more. I don't stop hammering until the size of your check satisfies you.
I'm Jim Adler, the Texas Hammer. When stingy insurance companies don't pay up, I get meaner than a junkyard dog. I don't growl or bark, I bite.
The Hammer is also a dog that bites.
The Hammer doesn't growl, he bites to get you the money you deserve.
What was on that guy's shirt? And then there's this.
Rip the hides off insurance companies to get you the biggest cash award. I'm Jim the Hammer Shapiro. I love to play rough.
That video was awesome. Now, once we start practicing law, we lawyers have something huge that we can lose. Our reputation. Most lawyers are very protective of their reputation. These guys?
Trying to get an insurance company to send you money when you're hurt, that'll change a car wreck into a nightmare. Who knew? I know.
Or
trying to get an insurance company to send you money when you're hurt, that'll change a car wreck into a nightmare. Who knew? We know.
I don't feel like either of them know.
I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter.
Because we're Siegel and Salamosi, the heavy hitters.
Attorney Jeff Martin,
The heavy hitter?
Martin Harding Mazzotti.
The heavy hitters?
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 454-1500. The heavy hitter is the one for you. Call 1-800-LAW-1222.
I was driving down the road just the other day. Saw another car, speed my way. Boom, we crashed. The doctor says we're blasted.
A free 15-minute call can get you compensation for your injuries. Call 1-800-VICTIM-2.
Call Siegel and Lax and get the money you deserve.
Why is the tiger vomiting money?
Call Siegel and Lax.
Now, I'm not a PI lawyer. I'm an employment lawyer. I personally don't know anybody who does commercials. They just don't seem necessary in today's internet age. But I want to talk to my buddy Sean, who is a personal injury lawyer, and ask him why his PI colleagues keep making these tacky commercials. Sean doesn't make commercials, but his marketing is super classy and his website is light years ahead of the competition in terms of SEO, and he gets plenty of clients. So he's the guy to ask. Let me start. Sean, thanks for being in my video.
Certainly.
I'm just gonna fly into it. Why do personal injury lawyers in particular make such tacky commercials?
I think I have some ideas. First of all, I think they're compensating for some shortcomings. Personality-wise, a lot of these guys, you know, they're kind of lacking. But I think what these attorneys are doing is they're taking advantage of public perception. They're saying, well, look, you know, the public thinks that a lawyer needs to come in and be hyper-aggressive, over the top, to the point that that's going to somehow, you know, get them more money. And it's just not the truth. So they see the guy who's waving the biggest hammer, and he's necessarily, you know, the one who's going to get the best result. It just doesn't work that way. Right. You know, the guys who are a little more subtle, a little more, you know, legal-minded, who are thinking carefully and plotting the course of a case are going to be the ones who get the best results. Yeah. And I think some of these commercials are designed really to just play off of those stereotypes that you have to be loud and boisterous. Your reputation is what carries the day. And good defense lawyers they know the difference. You don't have to go for all the flash and the zing.
It seems like the PI lawyers in particular have such terrible, tacky commercials.
They do. If I brag about, these massive jury verdicts, then the public is going to think that I'm the best, lawyer out there.
Which is not true at
No.
all.
We're now, personal injury lawyers, it's like a joke, it's like a societal joke where these are the bottom feeder,
Ambulance
kind
chasers.
of ambulance chasing people, and it's unfortunate, but maybe it works for them. I personally don't get it. I see some of these videos and I just laugh. I think it's a joke, but maybe it works. I just don't know. We got the music too.
I know.
I like the
I'm
music.
actually kind of digging it.
It just cut in right in the middle.
I know.
That's the only thing.
Thanks for being in the video.
All right, yeah, no problem.
And now, the worst personal injury commercial I have ever seen.
It's a strong power of a heavy hitter.